As a state, we have, and we're still investing in procurement of heavy-duty equipment for land preparation. We're very ambitious. In the next 1 year, we'll prepare and cultivate 250,000 hectares of land. In the next 4 years, 1 million hectares of land. This is because where these miscreants stay are ungoverned. And we want to take over this ungoverned land, prepare them for cultivation. And if you had my first position, we need to also reorganize and arrange and count all our trees so that we can sell them as carbon assets of Nigeria. So don't worry about security. Right now, as a state, the Fulani, we have the highest and the largest congregation of Fulani headsmen in the world in Niger State. Owing to our arable land and bodies of water, everybody comes to Niger State to graze. And because of the dump from the cows, our cattle, the grass is very luscious, and every cow wants to come back for grazing. So we provide the highest grazing land for livestock. However, now we've seen that there is need for us to reintegrate these people back to the system. So a backward integration system has been put in place. A ministry has been created for nomadic and pastoral affairs to engage the Fulani headsmen so that they can understand that they can be better, if they are doing ranching. A lot of hybrid grasses have been brought in from overseas. We already have an initiative with the CBN where we have 33,000 hectares of land have been prepared in the Bobby Grazing Reserve, and another 25 in the Mokwa Grazing Reserve, so that we can have these animals domesticated. That is one. So security wouldn't be an issue. The military, the federal government, the state government were in collaboration, and as you know very well, these things are not things we should discuss in the public. But I can reassure you, Niger is safe. It's safe for investment. And again, we've banned mining. The incessant, approval from the Prime Minister of Mines or Mineral Resources, giving people cadastral licenses to come and mine without the knowledge of the local people has become a menace. Degradation of our land and also a lot of illegal activities. And you need to understand there's a symbiotic relationship between the headsmen and miners. These mines are very heavy, so they use this cattle to transship these mines from where they are mining them to the neighboring countries. And so now we've banned that and we have relative peace. We are coming hard on them. We're not negotiating further. We've negotiated enough. We are providing schools and e-learning system to these headsmen in the places we are provided as grazing areas. And we have a collaboration with Lagos State Government, Oyo State Government, Ogun State Government, and Kwara State Government that cattle will no longer go to the west. They will terminate in Mokwa, local government, Jaba, and we're going to provide cooling vans and trucks so that we'll process them in Niger State and transship to the south. This is another initiative of our green economy. Yes. Yeah, let him talk. Resource control.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. My name is Samuel Ibrahim. I report for Trust TV. So just a quick question. When we're talking about developing the green economy, are there also plans to develop the blue economy, seeing that the chair of the House Committee on Maritime Safety? And because it is also important that while developing the green economy and the blue economy hand in hand, there is much more effectiveness. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Yeah, thank you very much. You see, the blue economy is national. Fortunately, I don't belong to those states that have blue lines. I have just freshwater lines. However, in terms of maritime, Niger State is warehousing the Barrow Inland Port, We are working with a lot of investors, especially the Deutsche Bank. We had a meeting yesterday on how we can get institutional investment in desalting the River Niger and also the bank protection so that we can have, easy access of goods and services, through the inland water. However, as a government, the APC government, the president is poised at making sure that heavy-duty equipment to save our roads are going to be transshipped, and we've created Tafa, in Tafa local government and Suleja local government. We have Garam Industrial Park where we're putting up a dry port. We are putting up, we're discussing with Deutsche Bank to finance rail line, and also with Chinese government and the CCEC, providing lane line between Niger and Abuja, so that heavy trucks, we're bringing Dangote and Boa into it. They will invest definitely in it because they are the major users of our road. So be rest assured that we are good. Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Timothy Choji. I report for Voice of Nigeria. I would like to know how much the state government and its partners are investing in hosting this valuable summit. And then at the end of the summit, I know very well that there will be massive outcomes. I would like to know what are some of the low-hanging fruits that will be readily available, especially for the youth who are unemployed in their numbers.
I forgot to mention that we are ambitious that in the next 6 months we are going to plant 10 million trees. So it's a low-hanging fruit for the youth. We're going to make sure that women and youth are given the seedlings. We are creating nurseries in every local government headquarters, out of the 25 local government headquarters. So these nurseries, will bring hybrid, trees, in share, mango and cashew respectively, to be replanted by the youth. They will be engaged. This summit will bring in investors who are interested, in making sure that this thing works. Therefore, the stipends that will be paid to these people, will be provided for therein. On the first issue you asked, the cost of hosting it is maybe it's just free, because this is it has something to do with it's green, it's free, it's in the air, so it's green. So we're not expecting to spend anything much. Only if you want to help us from the trust, we are grateful. Thank you.